In this video, we're going to show you how to install a starter strip. On a project, when your wall is elevated off the slab, you will need to use a starter strip, not a J-trim. As you can see here, they're both very different. For the purpose of this video, imagine that the pencil line is the lowest point of the house on your elevated wall. It's very important that you start at the lowest point of your house as you work around the house. You want to avoid any exposed areas. First step is to get the measurement in between the internal corner and external corner. Then mark and cut to size. Use snips to cut your starter strip to length. When screwing off the starter strip, you need to make sure the strip is level. The next step is to measure and cut your board to suit. When installing the first board on the starter strip, it's important to make sure the board clips onto the groove of the starter strip. Position your board in place. You can double check for level, however it should be level as the starter strip was installed level. Then screw off.